Hello everyone, myself Pallavi Patil from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering. I am going to teach you MT subject. MT means Applied Multimedia Techniques. Today we are going to learn about Unit 1, that is a Introduction to Multimedia. What are the outcomes of this video? Learner will be able to understand Introduction to subject, what is the multimedia, elements of multimedia, types of multimedia, use of multimedia and advantage of multimedia. Let us see first introduction to subject. The subject name is Applied Multimedia Techniques, subject code 22024. Basically this subject is a practical subject. Student, you do not have any theory exam of this subject. You have just external vivas and practical. That is a 50 marks exam. Then I explain what we will learn in this subject. In this subject, we learn about multimedia. Multimedia is application, is use a combination of text, graphics, animation, audio and video, which can be used for the entertainment, business and education, communication, learning and different purpose. We are using multimedia. In multimedia, different components like a video, animation, still image, audio components and text can be developed using a various tool. This practical orientation course for the student. The student to use audio and video file available in different format and implement their creative imagination to produce graphics and animated multimedia object that can be used in this application. The next, what is the multimedia? Derived from the word multimedia. Multi means many, multiple. Media. Media is that used to represent to certain thing. Delivery media, a form of mass communication, that is a newspaper, magazine and TV. Multimedia is a content that use a combination of different content forms such as a text, audio, image, animation, video and interactive content. Multimedia is a computer information can be represented through the video, audio, animation in addition to traditional media. For example, text, graphics, drawing, image. Multimedia is a project to develop a require like a creativity, technical organization and business skill. Different purpose we are using multimedia. Multimedia is a medium that use multiple form of information content and information processing. The next basic element of multimedia. The different types of the elements of multimedia: text, graphics, image, animation, video, audio, that is the sound. Let us see first text. Text remains one of the most powerful way to share information even if it is somewhat slower to process than infographics, video and image. Text characters that are used to create word, sentence and paragraph. It contains alphanumeric and some other special character. The keyboard is used for the input text. Different types of the text: plain text, format text, hypertext. The first is a plain text. What is a plain text? Plain text basically is any text. The text file or document that contain only text. A plain text file cannot have bold text, font, large font size or any other special text formatting. Plain text have extension that is a .txt. The view of plain text file, a text editor such as a Microsoft Notepad is used. The next is a format text. In a format text, we have bold text, font, large font size, any other special text formatting can be used. The last one is a hypertext. In a hypertext is a text which contain links to other texts. It can include graphics, video and sound. Hypertext is a text display on a computer display or other electronic device with reference that is a hyperlink to other text. Then the reader can immediately access. The next is a graphics. A digital representation of non-text information such as a drawing, chart, photograph. It is a technology to generate, represent, process, manipulate and display picture. It is one of the most important component of the multimedia application. The development of graphics is supported by the different software. The next is animation. Animation is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as a moving image. Computer animation is a modern technology which helps in creating, developing, sequencing and displaying set of image, that is a frame. Animations give visual effect or motion very similar to that a video file. For example, given below. Different types of the animation: traditional animation, 2D animation, 3D animation, motion graphics, stop motion. These are the types of the animation we can see after. Next, video. Photographics image that are the playback at a speed of 50 to 30 frames a second and then provide a appearance of full motion, that is a video. Next is audio. In audio, music, speech or any other sound include. The next, types of multimedia. The two types of the multimedia: linear presentation and non-linear interactive. The first is a linear presentation, the linear multimedia. In a linear presentation, a linear multimedia, linear means is active content, progress often without any navigation control for the viewer, such as a cinema presentation. The next is a non-linear multimedia, that is a non-linear interactive. In non-linear use the interactively to control progress is with a video game and self-paced computer-based training. The best example of the non-linear interactive, the hypermedia. Next, use of multimedia. Different use of multimedia: advertisement, art, education, entertainment, engineering, medicine, mathematics, business, scientific research. Different use of multimedia. Next, multimedia application. In multimedia application, the presentation, e-books, digital library, e-learning, moving marketing, video games, e-shopping, animated movie, different application. The next advantage of using multimedia. A different advantage. The first is multimedia is very user friendly. Means what? It does not take much energy out of the user, in the sense that you can sit and watch the presentation. You can read the text and hear the audio. This is a multimedia is a very user friendly. The next is it is use multi scenario. It is use a lot of the user sense while making a use of multimedia. For example, hearing, seeing and talking at the same time. Next, it is integrated and interactive. Obviously, multimedia is interactive and integrated for the user. It is flexible. This media is flexible because of it can easily be changed to fit different situation and audience. It can be used for wide variety of audience, ranging from one person to a whole group. Thank you. And next video I will upload it.